everybody, this is Rebecca with Aroma Hut, and I have another DIY for you. Today we're going to make disinfectant cloths. Now I know the last time I made some paper towel cloths that you can just throw away, but these are great because they're reusable. You can probably use just about everything you have in your house right now, which makes it even better because it's just convenient and it saves hundreds of dollars a year that you would be spending on paper towels. So what you're going to need for this is to have either some microfiber cloths, or you could use some t-shirts and just cut them up, the ones that aren't being used. I have this nice jar that I got at Hobby Lobby, which probably is on Amazon as well. You could substitute and use maybe a mason jar, like one of the big size, quart size ones. We're going to use white distilled vinegar in this one instead of the rubbing alcohol, and distilled water because you want to make sure it's pure. And we're going to be using about a tablespoon or so of liquid soap, and then any of your favorite essential oils that you want to add to it to help with the fragrance and to also give it those antibacterial, antiviral properties in the wipes. Okay, so let's start. We're going to first add our 2 cups of water. Now, depending on the size jar, if you have a smaller jar, you do less water. I'm going to do 1 cup of vinegar, and we're going to use our liquid soap, about a tablespoon, and then we're going to go ahead and add lemon essential oil. I'm going to use probably about 5 drops of each, and lavender, and then bergamot. You could substitute any oils that you like. I like the citrus for the kitchen. We're going to go ahead and open up our jar. We can either put the rags in here, or we can just go ahead and just stuff our jar with as many rags as we can get in there. I think I'll just try that. And then we're going to just pour our liquid right in over the rags. And set that aside. And just like the others, we'll just leave them here to make sure that they get absorbed. So we can just leave them for about 10 minutes like this, and then flip them over so that the water will absorb. And then you just have them next to your counter, ready to use. You can throw them in the wash when you're done with them and reuse them again, do the same thing. And I hope that you'll try this recipe. Please let me know and leave a comment below about how your recipe turned out. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like us. Thanks for watching.